Welcome back to another Rad Rides and Reviews video. Today we are going to be doing a how to build a wood burning fire. So if you have a wood burning fireplace, you might want to take notes on this, but this is how to build a fire in a wood burning fireplace. So first, take the screen away. Always make sure you have a screen so the fire doesn't pop and then it catches something out here on fire. So then you want to have some newspaper. Just get some old newspaper, like I have here, as seen. Then you grab one piece of newspaper, and if it rips like I just ripped it, that is okay. So you get this, and then crumple it up, and put it in between the pieces in the grate. And then you grab it, and then you keep doing it and put it in. Now after you put your newspaper in, you need to open your damper. You either put your newspaper in first or open the damper, but always do that first so that there's not a ton of wood piled up where you can't reach to the damper. So I'm going to put one more piece in. Now, I'm going to show you how to open a damper. So you have my paper here, and then if I kind of have it up like this, I'll get my spotlight. So I got to go get my spotlight. I'll be right back. So now I have my spotlight. And what you do is, y'all see this little rod right here? So look up there. It's closed. So the way you do it is you push it up. I can't do it one-handed, so y'all hold it in a second. Now, my hands, always make sure you wash your hands again because my hands are super dirty now. But we'll shine this up there so you can see what it's like with the damper open. So you can see up there, up the chimney. So I'm going to go wash my hands, and then I'll be right back again. Okay, now that I've washed my hands, we'll continue building the fire. So now I'll put this back over here where I had it. And you can see me building the fire. Now you get some stuff down here. It's called kindling or lighter. You call it either. So you grab a handful like this. And then you kind of sprinkle it around like this. Then you get some very small pieces out of this from like a frame, but I'm not going to use it because it burns good, and this is all I have. But I do have some other wood. This is some very light and skinny wood right here. If y'all next to kindling here. And then you sprinkle this across. Always want to do it like diagonal, kind of like that. And then you want to get some more newspapers, crumple it up, kind of gotta get it really crumpled up. Sometimes they don't crumple too good. see how I have that kind of sticking out? And now, you grab a lighter, and you don't never play with lighters. So you gotta warm your chimney up. So I'm gonna let this burn, this little piece of paper right here burn. Like that too to warm it up. Now you light the fire. Now you want to put another one of these little logs right here across. And as you can see, those are burning really well. But this is about it for your house to build. And then if you look over here, see I have some small wood, and then I go outside and get some big. You always want to work your way up with when you're building the fire. Now, what we do is we go and check the smoke, make sure the smoke is coming out of